Any good Volvo DIY person has a nice collection of tools, some specialty, some not. One of those tools that we find very necessary is a measuring device that's really high precision. That's why we carry this. It is our digital caliper, measures things in inches, millimeters, centimeters, both metric and SAE, so you can transfer between them. It becomes very handy when there's small things that you need to measure, or when you need to measure differences in sizes, diameters of pipes for exhaust, or anything like that. I've got one of these in my toolbox. I use it every day. You'll find it very handy once you have it. Not too expensive, excellent tool to have, very good for some of the more fundamental jobs on a Volvo that you need to be precise on. A cool feature of this is it's very easy to measure outside diameter with this side of it, inside diameter with this, and the end piece sticks out here so you can get a precise measurement of depth. Again, very precise, very, very helpful. So when you need to find something and tell us what the measurement is, more so than just, this is what you need.